This is the Rut Rig, my light, fast, and efficient hunting machine. I'm going to go over my electrical components and installation process in this video so you can see what steps I took to make it happen. Before I did permanent installation on everything, I got everything roughed in, did my measurements. Before I went to paint, got everything set up so I knew everything was generally going to be in the right place. And getting all your holes drilled, make sure that all your wires are going to be run, and see what you needed to do for length of wires, where exactly everything was going to fit before I did all the final paint. All right, I got all the wooden components painted last night in the dark. They came out all right, so I'm going to go get that stuff installed so I have all the spots where all the electrical components mount and make it all nice and super clean and neat. I'm going to take this jumble of stuff, mount it up, have it actually look like something, get all this stuff put into place, mount it down, and this box actually makes a really nice seat too. That was a matte black paint. I was very happy with it. It matches the bed color, so everything just blends in. Nothing really sticks out unless it's an item that I want to be able to notice and take note of, like all the solar charger controller or the fuse panel, things like that. And there was a ton of heat shrink that needed to be done on all these connections, so getting the work in with a torch. Well, making some progress, got a bunch of stuff mounted. Been here 14.7 volts, we cooking with grease. And here's the install, getting the switched panel put in for the lighting. So I was really happy with how this one came out. Everything is in a nice location, so all the wires are tucked out of the way. And it's a spot where I have multiple places where I can control the lighting switches, but I'm super happy with this. Then doing all the heat shrink for the lighting panel in the dark with a torch, getting it done. Here's all the carnage, all the trimmings from all the zip ties, but the results. I just got all the setup hooked up and all the breakers, lights, wires, all that hooked up for the first time, so super excited about that. So everything is working and functioning, everything is doing what I want it to do, so this will make nighttime activities just so much more fun and easy. Just setup is super clean now, so you got everything is ready to go, all set. And the fridge is awesome. I love the fridge. 35 degrees, nothing too crazy. It has been nice having a dash cam mounted for the front and rear. Here, so I got set up so I can see all plus surroundings. On the back window, I've got the dash cam mounted right there for the rear camera. So that's been pretty awesome. And this kid was playing the touch the truck game on a motorcycle. I did have to get a Type-C cable extension to get the rear camera to work. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.